I got Diary of the Spy on DVD from the package in the mail. So here's the front. It says Diary of the Spy and more cute queer stories. It says further adapted book from the best-selling book by Doreen Cohen, the acclaimed author of Diary of the World. I have on the DVD. So 5 stories on 1 DVD written by Andreas T. Jones, Saint Hayes, and others. Here's the front, the spine, Technophile Spire. In the back, it says stories have won over 5 awards. So it says including Horse of Vale, Parents' Choice Gold Medal, and many more. It says collect the entire library as classic storybook treasures and make real one on screen. With your favorite classic children's stories brought ready to ride on DVD. It includes Diary of the Spire, Roboto the Insect That Attacked, Moen the Doorman, The Mysterious Tadpole, and bonus story is The Story of the Dancing Frog. So normally it's 69 minutes. So let's go ahead and open this up. It's Marshall's was $5. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Come on, open. Ugh, so hard to open. Hold on. There we go. And here's the front, the spine, and the back. And darn it! The security sticker has been removed. Hold on. There we go. See? The security tag has been removed. Here's the front once again, the spine once again, and the back once again. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. Is barely all work in there? Yes, it does. So this looks like for Diary of the Spire and more cute stories. There's insert this. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, isn't it? I like the green case. Let's check the disc. Ooh, it's brand new, isn't it? So that's the video update for May 22nd, 2026. So thanks for watching this video and see you later. Bye. Peace out.